Hey everyone, मैं हूँ नीता शर्मा and welcome back to my channel Forever Pretty. Step out in style. So guys, आज का शूट बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाला है because we are at this special place called Flamingo Point in Navi Mumbai Seawoods. It's just a 5 minutes far from Palm Beach Road. So guys, हमने ये शूट का प्लान अभी 2 दिन पहले ही डिसाइड किया था. But we are very lucky we got to see lot of flamingos today here. Flamingo के बारे में बात करें तो they have migrated from Siberia to Kutch and from Kutch to Mumbai. So it's around 5:30 p.m. in the evening, and you can see we are going to shoot today in a daylight like we did last time. My team is all set for the shoot. So guys, before we start, let me introduce you to my team, my models. Start.
Hello everyone, I'm Pooja Arola and thank you so much Neeta ma'am for giving this opportunity to me, and I'm so excited for today's shoot. Hello guys, Shweta here. I'm here for the shoot today. Miss Neeta gave me this opportunity and I'm very happy for this. Thank you.
So guys, we have started the shoot, and this place we have selected is just opposite to the Flamingo Point, just back side of the Flamingo Point. So between 4 to 6 you can see nobody is here. So you have 2 to 3 hours time to shoot in a daylight till the sun sets. This coat set is from the exclusive collection of Forever Pretty. You can find it on our online website as well as at our store in Seawoods. So guys, it's around 6:30 p.m. in the evening, and before the sunset we have to wind up the shoot, and we have got one more model to shoot in another outfit, so please keep on watching. So we did a few clicks at roadside also. So you can get all these lovely collection from our online site as well as our offline store in Navi Mumbai. So let's welcome our another model, Shweta. This gorgeous model is wearing a leather pant and the leather crop top from the Forever Pretty store. So you can get all these collection from our online site, and plus you will get a different color shade also in this. So now she is in Forever Pretty's exclusive jumpsuit with feather work. We have got different shades, different colors and different sizes available at online store. So guys, now it's time to wind up the shoot, and I hope आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर थोड़ा भी पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए.